And our ingredients are, we have cooking oil, we have sugar, we have salt, we have milk, we have baking powder, we have wheat flour, and we have 2 eggs. Let's get into the kitchen and start cooking. We start by adding milk. We add eggs. Then we add salt. 1 teaspoon is enough. We add sugar, 2 tablespoons. We stir our mixture. And then we add baking powder. And lastly, we add wheat flour. Our mixture is ready, and it is not thin, it is thick. We are going to light our gas on to heat our pan. Our pan is hot. We are going to add our cooking oil. And then add our mixture. We spread our mixture. I'm going to add cooking oil. We turn the other side, and then I add my cooking oil again. And that is it. I continue doing so. We are still cooking our pancakes. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, consider doing so. Turn on notification bell to get notified once I have a new video. And also you are allowed to comment and share. That is it. This is how our pancakes looks like. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so, so that you can support me up to 100 subscribers. Please, please, please subscribe. And that's the end result. Let's meet to the next video. Bye bye.